In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money in Binance Wallet. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to install your Binance Wallet extension and you want to open it up and connect it with your Binance account. And then to receive money in your Binance Wallet, what you have to do here is first select the token you would like to receive. Now, I'm going to switch the network over here. So I'm going to go to all networks up top and I'm going to actually use the Solana network for this one, and make sure you use the network that's relevant to you and the one you're currently using. So here I have the tokens, and let's say I want to receive some USDT. So of course, receive it on the Binance wallet. I'm going to click on USDT, and then you want to click on receive. Okay, when you click on receive, you'll receive your QR code as well as your kind of wallet address to which you want to actually send. So I'm going to copy this, and then you want to go to a different wallet from where you want to send inside your Binance wallet. For this, I'm going to be using Phantom. So Phantom wallet. Here I have some USDT. I'm going to just click on USDT on Solana network, and then I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to send it to my address inside Binance Wallet. And the amount, let's say, is going to be 2 USDT. And if I now click on next over here, and if I confirm and send everything, this will now actually come to my Solana or to my Binance Wallet. Okay, so it's going to appear in here within just a few seconds whenever you confirm it. So that's how to receive money in Binance Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.